Look, there is Sofia far away in distance. Nice. What's the situation? We are parked basically like next to the highway, very close to Sofia, and as you can see we have 286 kilometers exactly to the parking, you know, at Turkish border, and we have 4 hours 41 minutes of working time left. And driving time, you know, because when working time is over, then driving time is over too. And it's possible, yeah, it's possible, because it's like 280 kilometers. Like, let's say we will do like 80 kilometers per hour, yeah, on the highway, because we have just highway. So 2 hours, it's 160. 4 hours, it's basically 320 kilometers. Look at this mighty mountain. It looks so nice. God damn. Really nice. We have 100 kilometers to the parking, which is like, yeah, 1 hour 20 minutes. I'm driving 2 hours 14 minutes. And I have 1 hour 48 minutes of working time and driving time left. So it's going to be close, but we got this. We got this. If nothing will happen on the way, I'm in traffic or something like that, then we got this. Easy. There is no line to wait, so we are just speeding to the parking. I mean, we still have 37 minutes, so, you know, it's not so close as I thought it's going to be, but yeah, we got this, right? We got this. It's almost 11 p.m. and maybe I will cross it tomorrow, or I will make a 45 hours break at this parking, because tomorrow around 6 or 7 p.m. my time of working for this week is over, and I have to take 45 hours break. So maybe I will do it here. Yes, we are going 59, 55 even. Nice, nice. Welcome 45 hours later. 2 days I was chilling at this parking, and now we have 8 p.m. Wednesday. We can cross the border. The plan is that I'm going to cross the border and I will drive around 5 hours, maximum 6 I guess, to some petrol station with parking, very close to customs office, and I will stop there for night for 9 hours. And tomorrow we are going to handle paperwork, and we are going to unload, and maybe we will go somewhere to load something, I don't know, maybe. Basically 30 minutes later we are going to the border to cross it, and I'm wondering how many trucks are there, because at the parking there was like really not so many. I have to let this guy, and then we are going to change lane. Yeah. So let's see where we are going to stop. I will take this lane, and right now it's empty. Hopefully it will take like... Oh, I can see truck there. I can see truck there. Yes. so it will take more than 1 hour. Last time it took 1 hour. Now it probably take 2 or 3 hours. Hopefully. Okay, we are in Turkey. We have like 11:30 p.m. and I was just in time to move my truck because traffic police was here and they were here for me, you know, for me. I mean, for a few other guys too, but I was standing, you know, on a place that I was not supposed to stand, but I was just in time because I was changing money and I was just in time. So we are going. We will probably drive around 5 hours to this parking that I have picked before, but we will see, we'll see. For now I just want to pass this military checkpoint and we will see what's going to happen on the road. And it's around 20 degrees, it's warm. Another day, almost 9 a.m. and I have decided at night to sleep basically at the first petrol station on the highway. I have my coffee. Look, it's shaking. I have like 3 cookies. We can go. We have 300 kilometers basically, and yeah, we have stopped for a moment because of that. I don't have this turn signal and this part is missing. I don't know why. It was cracked, but now it's missing. But anyway, let's take it apart. So, situation is very interesting because light bulb is completely fine. So I don't know why we don't have turn signal. I don't know. I don't know if you can see, but inside there is rusty as fuck. Maybe that's why sometimes we have, sometimes we don't have turn signal. Okay, so we are going. I have no idea why this turn signal is not working. We have 40 kilometers to office. It's basically 1:16 p.m. and we are going for unloading. 13 kilometers left, around 20 minutes, and I have to take 30 minutes break at this company because I'm running out of time. Look at this guy, he's overtaking me on a moped without helmet. What is the situation? Situation is that I have to wait till tomorrow for unloading, and I have no idea what's wrong with this turn signal. I don't know. I took apart this one and wiring is looking the same, like it looks fine. I don't know. I'm not electrician, guys, and it's like truck will drive even without turn signal, so I don't mind. And I think I will go to a shop. So let me show you what is happening. We are walking. That's how it looks like. This is the company. My truck is there, and we are going to find some shop to buy basically a tissue, milk, maybe a bread, you know, just some stuff to eat, something to drink, and maybe I'll find some durum, I don't know. And yeah, it's like, I don't know, it's very peaceful and it's warm. Okay, so here we are having the first market. Okay, I have my shopping and I'm just wandering around. I have much more attention than I thought that I will have, probably because of my haircut, and maybe I look a bit like a tourist. Maybe. I believe. But it's okay, it's okay. I will avoid main streets, you know, because there's a lot of people there. And they are like staring at me, you know, like, I don't know why. Just I don't know why. It's getting dark, but I'm wandering around still. I left my backpack in my truck, and now I will go to find some restaurant, because with my backpack I was looking like a tourist. So we are in some center. There is a shop. There are some restaurants. I don't know where to go. I just don't know. We are having some food here. 2 pide for 340 lira, and I have like 13 minutes to walk with it. It's very peaceful. It's still warm. I guess around 25 degrees, 26. No wind whatsoever. We are almost here. I'm going to eat finally. To be honest, it's my first meal today. This pide. I had some insect on my... fuck, I still have! Motherfucker. Anyway. Nothing to do till tomorrow, till 9 or 10 AM. So, yeah. Okay, so let me show you what we are going to eat. We have some veggies obviously here, and some wet tissue, nice. And we are having that kind of pide. Nice, looks nice. God damn, it's too hot. Fucking delicious. God damn it, it's so good. What time is it? It's after 8. Oh, it's after 9 already. 9:30 AM. And as you can see, they are unloading right now. So we have good timing. The bad news is that we don't have load like today. Maybe not even tomorrow, I don't know. I have to call the company and ask. Maybe our load will be basically on Monday, which is unfortunate, but that's how it is. I want to show you this part of the road. Look how tight it is because of those trees. God damn it. And it's almost 10 AM. We are driving to some parking, and yeah, I will speak with company. I will find out what is happening and so on. And god damn it, that's tight. Imagine passing 2 trucks here. Fuck. Sometimes almost impossible. Almost. Okay, so we are trying to get to a highway because maybe we are going to have some load today. So we are going just to get to a highway. You know, highway is my natural environment, let's say. To get to a highway, to find some parking spot, and oh fuck, I have to stick in the right here. Okay, we are sticking to this lane. I was like not sure if I'm supposed to go there or not. So okay, that's how it looks like, the road to the highway. We have like 3 kilometers. Nice, we are having 2 lanes. Whoa, quality is okay. Some ambulance, some camion. And to be honest, right now I have my turn signal. Can you imagine? Ankara, Istanbul. Shit. That was fucking close. We are driving. We have 90 kilometers to some company that is basically on the other side of Bosphorus. And loading will be maybe tomorrow, hopefully. If not, then it's going to be on Monday, which is not nice, but you know what we can do. Nothing, right? It's basically 4 p.m. But now the company that I'm supposed to load something, they wrote that I need kantar fish. So I'm going to find some kantar.